So my name is Ra. I am an owner, and I would rate GMass a 5. And for more reviews, you can click below. So before GMass, I just used a mass email in Gmail, and that kind of gave me, I was limited per amount that I could send daily. And once I found GMass, I was able to send as many emails unlimited, which really helped to grow my business. So GMass was number one, it was affordable. It was a good solution built into Gmail, which integrated well within my company's platform. And I like the responsiveness of their customer service. And I even got to touch base with one of the founder, AJ Goal, which was very nice as well for him to be involved with it. So GMass was it was pretty easy to get set up. Just had to read a few instructions online, install one or two plugins, send maybe one customer service message, and they were very responsive. And it took maybe 10, 15 minutes to figure it out. So very easy. So if you're considering GMass and you have a high outreach and you want to grow your business, I would definitely use it. I still use it to this day. So just don't hesitate. Sign up for GMass.